how to turn off friend requests, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off friend requests, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click notifications here, and now just click this one, friend requests, and then turn SMS off and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.